How to convert Facebook profile to page. Let's begin with the video. Initially open the Facebook app on a device and log into your account. Next tap on the three horizontal lines icon located at the top right corner. Here select pages. From here tap on the create new button at the top of the page screen. Now select public page and hit next. After that type in the name you want for your page and tap next again. Then choose a category that best describes what your page is about. You can also use the search bar to find the specific categories. Once you have selected category, click on create. Now Facebook will ask you about your page goal, whether you are looking to promote a product or create content and connect with fans. Select your option and tap continue. Next, fill in the important details about your page and click next. Finally, you will be prompted to add a profile photo. You can do this now or skip this step and upload the image later. Lastly, hit next. And that's it. This is how to convert Facebook profile to page.